So if you're familiar with my themes, I think children learn best through seeing, hearing, and doing. So this Number Neighborhood book does all three. And I have my friend that's going to help us today. But every number has a rhyme to it. And in the story on the back, it explains why the number has the number name it does. And then they have you count the object. Wait just a minute. And it has you count the objects in the number. So here's number 1 that wears a bun. So they get to count the one bun. But today what I thought would be fun is for you to see after 1 week, my friend Ella has practiced and now she knows all the number names. So at this stage you need to know the number names and the number values. But today we'll do our number song. Okay, here we go. Ready, go.
Zero,
Is a hero. 1, 1, where's a bun? 2, shines her shoes. 3, grows a tree. 4, builds a door. 5, has a hive. 6, rubs the sticks. We sure know our numbers. 7, lives in heaven. 8, likes to skate. 9, dresses fine. 10, is a friend. We should know our numbers. 11, teaches Kevin. 12, helps the elves. 13, likes Halloween. We sure know our numbers. 14, wears all green. 15, likes to clean. 16, wears sunscreen. We sure know our numbers. 17, is not seen. Good job. 18, plays the tambourine. 19, greets the queen. We sure know our numbers. She learned this one today. 20, hops up plenty.